Hi believers, this is Tushar from YRT. Welcome to our monthly market wrap up for December 2024. Let's dive into how the Indian equity markets performed this month, the key sectors to focus on in 2025, and what could be the market's next move. The Indian equity markets closed the year on a mixed note in December. After a strong rally earlier this year, December witnessed some consolidation. The benchmark indices Nifty 50 and Sensex saw minor corrections, dragged down by weaker Q2 earnings and FI outflows due to rising global bond yields and a strengthening US dollar. Mid-cap and small-cap indices experienced sharper corrections as speculative positions unwound. However, the IT and pharma sectors stood out, providing some stability along the broader market volatility, supported by a recovery in global demand and currency tailwinds. Looking ahead to the start of 2025, the broader market might remain in a consolidation phase in early 2025, especially as investors digest the mid cycle slowdown in the economy and moderate earnings growth. However, this period of consolidation could provide a healthy foundation for the next leg of rally. Let's look at the chart of Nifty. The index is currently facing resistance and a selling pressure near 23,950 levels and is trading near the support level of 23,300. A decisive close below this level could open the way for further downside with targets of 23,000 and 22,500. On the upside, the resistance zone of 23,950 to 24,200 is expected to pose a significant challenge. The index needs to close above this zone to resume its upward momentum till 24,850 levels. A sustained move above 24,850 could trigger a rally towards its all-time high of 26,277, with potential to extend gains to 27,500 in the coming year. Let's move to the chart of Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty index is consolidating within a broad range of 54,000 to 49,700 levels over the past 7 months. The 49,700 level is acting as a crucial support. If the index closes above 52,200 levels, it could target the upper boundary at 53,800 with a breakout potentially extending the gains to 54,700 levels or a new lifetime high, while a break below 49,700 may lead to decline towards 48,700 to 48,000 levels. Looking at the broader market index, Nifty 500 has formed a higher high and higher low pattern on daily time frame. A close above 23,000 level should push the index towards 24,000. On the downside, the index must maintain support at 22,200. A failure to hold this level could intensify the correction and push the index towards 21,100. Sector to focus for the pre-budget rally. First, infrastructure. The infra index is shaping a double bottom pattern near its previous support of 8400 level. It has recently formed higher high, signaling the potential for an uptrend. Once the resistance at 9000 is breached, the index may pave the way till 9400 to 9600 level. The government continued focus on infrastructure and spending and capex growth is expected to drive demand for construction, cement and engineering companies. Moving on to next sector to focus is IT. IT index broke above the cup and handle pattern and is sustaining above it, signaling a potential of 10% in the near term. The sector is seeing renewed demand for digital transformation and a weakening rupee could further boost export earnings. Moving on to the next sector, which is pharma. The pharma index has broken out of parallel channel with momentum gaining strength as it continues the rally towards all-time high. Implementing a buy on dips strategy is recommended in this sector. Pharma companies focusing on specialty drugs and generics are likely to perform well, supported by global healthcare demand. Here are some stocks to keep an eye on in specific sectors. In the infrastructure sector, Capacite Infra and Afscon Infra. For the IT sector, TBOTech and Datamatics Global. And in the pharma sector, Shilpa Medicare and Gland Pharma. Additionally, we have released a new multi-bagger recommendation in the pharma sector with an expected 50% upside in the next 6 months. Wrapping things up, the Indian markets are likely to be influenced by changes in global and domestic interest rates in the near future. The upcoming budget will also provide important clues about which sectors could perform well in the coming months. Right now, the market is going through a consolidation phase, which is a great chance for long term investors to invest in good quality stocks in key sectors. Looking back, 2024 was a volatile year due to elections in India and the US, as well as changes in interest rate policies. Even with these ups and downs, the Indian stock market performed well overall. 2025 holds plenty of opportunities for investors who will focus on the right sectors and follow a disciplined approach. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for more updates and wishing you a happy new year.